Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's color is teal. So I mixed it with a couple of colors, purple and pink, and I also paired it with a teal lip. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe right now. Do that right now. Go ahead and hit that button and click that notification bell. So if you want to see how I did this look, then continue to watch. Okay, so let's get started. So first I primed my lip with the Urban Decay Primer Potion as well as the LA Girl Pro Primer in the color white, and I just placed that all over the lid and then blended it out with my finger. For today's look, we're going to use the Morphe 35B palette. We're going to take this pink right here, which is a very vibrant pink, and we're going to place that all into the crease with a large fluffy brush. So now we're going to go in with this purple. It is above the darkest purple in the palette, and we're going to place that into the crease as well, and it's going to be right under the hot pink from the palette. Now for the star of the show, we're going to use this teal color right here. It is right above the shimmery teal in this palette, and we're going to place that all over the mobile lid. Okay, so now we're going in with the darkest purple in the palette, and we're going to place this in the outer V to define the outer V and bring the whole look together. So now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in Soft Glam, and we're going to use this beautiful shimmery shade, which is called Fairy, and we're going to use this color as the eyebrow highlight as well as the inner tear duct color. So we're going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Primer in white, and we're going to use this to line our waterline. So for the lower lash color, we're going to use that vibrant purple, the brightest purple, as well as the hot pink, and we're just going to place that on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go ahead and add lashes and eyeliner off camera. So now I'm going to conceal and highlight with this Kiss by New York concealer. I think it is called Pure Honey. This is my first time using this concealer. I wanted to try it, and I'm going to blend it down with the foundation brush and then also a beauty blender to blend it all the way out. Per usual, we're going to highlight the concealed areas with Ben Nye's powder in Topaz, and we're also going to use this Ben Nye powder in Sienna and Chestnut mix for the all over face powder. So now I am going to add mascara to blend my real lashes with my false lashes. And this is just a cheap mascara I found at the Dollar Tree, made by LA Colors. So for contour and highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance foundation in Black Coffee or Deep Coffee, and the highlighter in the Juvia's Place Saharan 1 blush palette in the color Cara. The lip color that we're using is from Pretty Zombies Cosmetics, and this color is called Blue Moon. And we're going to place this all over the lips, and it is also a teal color, very vibrant. I really love this liquid lipstick. I had it for a long time. I got this one, and I got like 2 purple ones and a black one, but I don't know where that one's at. But I really love their products. I see that they have some more colors, so I might order some more. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like. Don't forget to tell me what color you will want to see next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And if you want some great affordable hair, then I will leave a link down below, the cheapest hair that you could ever find. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.